Why can't you draw the second eye? I'm here to tell you this video is for you. Hi guys, my name is Mobin, and you are watching this video because you cannot draw the second eye, so let's go. Well, to start, we need a face. To be able to draw the second eye, pay attention to 3 rules: the right size, the right place, and the pupil of the eye. Well, let's go to the first rule, the right size. The right size means that the 2 eyes should be the same size. As you can see in the picture, the 2 eyes that I drew are the same size. For this, you can draw 2 lines horizontally for the upper and lower eyelids so that they are aligned. Beginners usually have problems with 3-sided view faces. For that, just mark the eyes with 2 circles first, and then draw the eyelids you drew in the first eye circle in the far eye circle. And to observe the second rule, which is the correct placement, note that unlike a full-faced view where 2 eyes are on a straight line, in a 3-sided view, they are placed along a curved line, as if the head is like a sphere. Look. To follow the second rule, which is the right placement, in full face, remember that the distance between the 2 eyes is equal to the width of 1 eye. To follow the third rule, which ensures the pupils are aligned, first mark the point where you want the eyes to be focused, and then draw the pupils around this point. This rule applies to 3-sided views as well. First, mark the focal point, then draw the pupils. Oh, and one very important thing, as always, this is a small cheat. Take a screenshot and use it for the exercise I put in the description. And if you don't know how to draw a 3-point perspective, don't miss this video. My name is Mobin, and don't forget to subscribe.